County in central North Carolina, Montgomery County in central North Carolina, Richmond County in central North Carolina, Stanley County in central North Carolina, Lee County in central North Carolina, until 7 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen since last night, with an additional 1 to 2 inches possible through this evening. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Sanford, Albemarle, Southern Pines, Rockingham, Wadesboro, Troy, Carthage, Batting Lake, Pinehurst and Hamlet. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. And now taking a look at the